This is not medical advice, but from somebody who has had reconstructive knee surgery on her knee 2 times, I thought I would share my thoughts on this Modvel knee brace, and hopefully it'll help you to decide if this is the type of brace that you're looking for. This is a lot different than having a sleeve on my knee, and the biggest reason for that is it does have this little stability hole here that covers the top of your patella. The main reason why that's so great for me is because I have a floating patella, so this is a very thickly gel padded section here in the middle, and I find that it really kind of hugs everything, especially when I am binding this around my leg and I'm fully securing it in the right way. And I say in the right way because the sizing chart on there, when you do go to order, it's going to tell you to measure 3 different areas. So your upper thigh, around your knee, and then right below your knee. So I do recommend making sure that you size in the way that you need to. I size a little bit up, and the reason for that for me is because I would rather have it feel like it's a little bit bigger and then use the Velcro to be able to bind it around my leg a little bit tighter versus having it the other way around, and that hasn't been a problem for me. In addition to that, it does have these little kind of grips here on the inside on both the top and the bottom, and because of that, you can wear this either underneath your clothing or over your clothing. I wear it over my clothing most of the time, especially when I'm working out. It does make my knees sweat. I think that's inevitable with any kind of brace like this, especially as the months start to warm up a little bit. But what I really like too about this is it doesn't slide around since it does have this coating, and because of that, I don't get any kind of skin irritation, which is a big concern for me with other similar braces that I've used in the past. The actual straps here are quite thick, which is fantastic because I feel like it makes me feel a little bit less vulnerable and a little bit less mindful of my knee all of the time when I am wearing this brace. And on the inside, it has these gel stabilizers. You can't feel them when you have this on, but it's just extra support on either side of your leg that makes me feel just a little bit more confident and happy when I'm walking around with this, not having to really care, especially when I am in the gym, which is usually when I'm gravitating towards something like this. I don't like to wear it all the time. I feel like my body is relying on a brace when I do wear it all of the time, but during the times when it's raining or I can feel the soreness coming on my knee, that's usually when I use this, or when I'm working out in the gym just to help to avoid any kind of mishaps. So I like this one a lot. The company did send me this to try, and I'm really glad that they did, and hopefully this helps.